Hello children, coronavirus is spreading throughout the world. Here are the simple tricks to drive the corona away. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, cognitive workbook, page number 69. In page number 69, we have an activity. Circle the flag that comes next in each row. Here they have given country's flag. Circle the flag that comes next in each row. Here Indian flag, United Kingdom flag, Indian flag, United Kingdom flag, Indian flag, United Kingdom flag. Next comes India flag. Circle this one. In the same way, 2 China flags, 2 Pakistan flags, 2 China flags. Next comes Pakistan flag. Circle this one. Next, in the same way, when we observe this row, next comes this flag. Circle this one. Move to next main. Match the festivals with their related items. Here, Christmas related to gifts. Match them. Holi related to colors. Match them. Eid related to moon. Match them. Baisakhi related to fire. Match them. Move to next page. Page number 70. In page number 70, match the monuments with their shadows. Here, Leaning Tower of Pisa. The shadow of Leaning Tower of Pisa is here. Match them. Next, Christ the Redeemer, that shadow is here. Match them. Taj Mahal shadow is here. Match them. Statue of Liberty shadow is here. Match them. Big Ben shadow is here. Match them. Go to next main. Trace the names of these monuments. Here they have given names of the monuments. Trace these words, children. Big Ben, Pyramid of Giza, Taj Mahal, Statue of Liberty, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Next page, page number 71. In page number 71, we have an activity. Circle the monument that comes next in each row. Here, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Big Ben, 2 Leaning Tower of Pisa. After, next comes Big Ben. Circle Big Ben. In the second row, Statue of Liberty, Christ the Redeemer. Statue of Liberty, Christ the Redeemer. Statue of Liberty. Next comes Christ the Redeemer. Circle this one, children. In the same way, Big One, 2 Eiffel Tower. Big Ben, 1 Eiffel Tower is here. So next comes second Eiffel Tower. Circle Eiffel Tower. Next, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Statue of Liberty, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Statue of Liberty, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Next comes Statue of Liberty. Circle this one, children. In the same way, when we observe this row, next comes this monument. Circle this one. Here also, next comes this one. Circle this one. Go to next page, page number 72. In page number 72, we have an activity. Circle all the tools used for cooking. Here they have given few tools. Here, circle all the tools used for cooking. Here, fork, ladle, toaster, cooker, chapati roller, mixer. These tools are used for cooking. Circle these, children. Next, trace the names of things in the kitchen. Here they have given few names of the things in the kitchen. Trace these words, children. Once I will read for you. Plate, vessel, cooker, spoon, pan, mixer, fork, pot, ladle. Go to next page, page number 73. In page number 73, we have an activity. Circle all the tools used for cleaning. Here, cleaner, scrubber, bucket, broom, mop and duster, and also use it for cleaning. Circle these tools, children. Move to next main. Trace the names of things used for cleaning. Here they have given few names of things used for cleaning. Once I will read for you, children. Trace these words: broom, mop, wipe, soap, rake, scrub, bucket, cloth, gloves. Go to next page. Page number 74. In page number 74, we have an activity. Circle all the objects used in a school. Here they have given few objects. Here, circle all the objects used in a school. In these objects, pencil, blackboard, book, teaching learning materials, bag, scale. These things used in a school. Circle these things, children. Move to next main. Trace the names of things related to school. Here, trace these words, children. Once I will read for you. Pencil, bag, bottle, book, board, mat, eraser, crayon, class. Move to next page. Page number 75. In page number 75, we have an activity. Match the festivals with their names. Here they have given few festivals picture. Match these festivals with their names. This is festival of Dasara. Match it to Dasara. Pongal. Match it to Pongal. Next, Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is here. Match it. Yugadi. Yugadi is here. Match it. Onam. Onam is here. Match them. Navaratri. Navaratri is here. Match them. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is here. Match it. Lohri. Lohri is here. Match it. Next, trace the names of the festivals. Here they have given few names of the festivals. Trace these words, children. Gudi Padwa, Lohri, Pongal, Onam, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Diwali and Dashehra or Dasera. Move to next page, page number 76. Here, color the metal parts in each of the objects given below. Instead of this heading, color the metal objects. Here, key, medal, fridge, chair. These are metal objects. Color these objects, children. Move to next main. Trace the names of some objects shown above. Here, trace these words, children. Once I will read for you. Chair, key, medal, ring, book, lock. Next page, page number 77. Here, draw and circle an object that is made of paper. Instead of this heading, circle an object that is made of paper. Here, bag, carry bag, calendar, paper cup, cotton box, tissue, book, rupee, paper plate. These are made of paper. Circle these pictures, children. Move to next main. Draw and color an object that is made with paper. Here, draw a paper cup and color it, children. This is a paper cup. Move to next page, page number 78. In page number 78, we have an activity. Circle the object that is not made of wood in each row. In the first row, these three things made of wood. Jug is made of glass, so circle jug. In the same way, in the second row, these three things are made of wood, so circle tire. Move to third one. Here, bottle is made of plastic, so circle bottle. In the fourth row, spoon is made of metal, circle it. In the last row, hanger is also made of metal, circle it. Next, draw and color an object that is made of wood. Here, draw a boat. Children, you already know boat is made of wood. Draw and then color it. Move to next page, page number 79. Here, circle the material used to make the objects below. First they have given tire. Tire is made of rubber, so circle rubber. Next they have given book. Book is made of paper, so circle paper. Next third picture, ladder. Ladder is made of wood, circle wood. Next glass. Glass is made of glass only, so circle glass. Next ball. Ball is made of rubber, circle rubber. Next eraser. Eraser is made of rubber, circle rubber. Then chair. Chair is made of wood, circle wood. Then kettle. Kettle is made of metal, circle metal. Last one, cleaner. Cleaner bottle is made of plastic, circle plastic. Move to next main. Trace and write the names of different materials. Here they have given different materials names. Trace these names and write it in the respective places, children. Once I will read for you. Wood, rubber, paper, cloth, metal, glass. Dear parents, help your children to complete these activities. Thank you.